Welcome back. Now let us start the basic architecture of RStiny. And RStiny, there are two major components. One is input and another is server. So it is also, some people say, client server architecture, and few people also talks about the two-tier architecture. So whatever you have heard, that makes sense. Okay. And so this is the architecture. Okay. And in case of UI at the user interface, this is the mostly responsible for creating user interface, controlling the layout, controlling the appearance, display widgets like any kind of input, and displaying the output. So anything for the display purpose or capturing the output purpose. And the server, generally it takes the input from the UI, process the instruction, and provides the output back to the UI. So this is the client server architecture. Okay. And it is having that all the servers or the UI is on the server side, you need to have everything in one folder, and that folder that you assign to the server, and with reference or with inside that folder you can have other things. And if you have that in the server, you need to have the file. If you are going to have the file, then file name should be app.r. This is somehow hard coded, and this internally calls Siny app, and everything happens. That I'm going to explain you. And all the image and everything should be under this one of the folder or with reference to this one. Now this is the template of writing this RStiny. First of all, you can write the Siny in either one file that is named as app.r, or you can write the two files, ui.r or server.r. In ui.r, all the UI related, and all the server.r, all the server related. If you are using one, then you can have something like this. Like here, this is your UI part, this is your server part, and you are calling this Siny app. That's all. So this is the way it really works out. And make sure you use exactly the same name, app.r or ui.r and server.r. You are not supposed to change the naming convention. Now let us go and start doing the hands-on. So please open the RStiny code folder and open the this one blank. So this is the blank thing, just to make sure that you have the Siny installed properly. And so let us run it. As soon as you run it, and RStudio detects that it is the Siny program. Sorry, it is a Siny program. It gives something called run app. So what you have to do in case of run app, right now select run in window. That's all. So this is the file, and simply select run app. So it has run properly, and in output window you don't see any error. So that is good. Okay. And so this is showing that your Siny has been installed, and this republish I will explain sometime later. If you open for the first time, it will show publish for you, and I will explain sometime later that what is the meaning of this one. As of now, please do not click. And open in browser. If you do it, or it will open in your default browser, whatever the default browser you have, it will open in that way. And if you see, this is on the local host, and this is the port. By default I have not written anything, so it is a fully blank. So it simply shows that yes, Siny has been installed properly, and now we are ready to go. So what I'm going to next video notes, I'm going to explain in a bit detail. Thanks for watching it. See you in the next one.